Hello, Order Now viewers. Welcome to an exploration of innovation and versatility with the iPad Air 5th generation by Apple. Join us as we uncover the exceptional features and capabilities of this cutting-edge tablet. All-screen design, beauty all around. 10.9-inch liquid Retina display iPad Air lets you immerse yourself in whatever you're reading, watching, or creating. The 10.9-inch liquid Retina display features advanced technologies like True Tone, P3 wide color, and an anti-reflective coating. Touch ID is built into the top button, so you can use your fingerprint to unlock your iPad, sign into apps, and make payments securely with Apple Pay, and iPad Air comes in 5 gorgeous colors. Fun at the speed of M1. The breakthrough M1 chip is now in iPad Air. An 8-core CPU delivers up to 60% faster performance than the previous generation, making iPad Air a creative and mobile gaming powerhouse. Multitask smoothly between powerful apps. Play graphics-intensive games, or make a hit with Logic Pro for iPad. The extraordinary 8-core GPU delivers up to 2 times faster graphics, so you can draw a social media filter in Procreate, design in 3D with SketchUp, and more. And with all-day battery life, you can keep creating wherever you go. The Apple-designed 16-core neural engine accelerates machine learning so you can do amazing things with apps like Final Cut Pro for iPad. You can speed through time-consuming tasks with fast cut features like scene removal mask, shoot, scan, and take center stage. The 1:MP ultra-wide front camera enables center stage, making video calls more natural and content creation more fun as you move around. The camera automatically pans to keep you centered in the shot. When others join or leave the frame, the view expands or zooms in. The 12MP wide back camera is perfect for capturing photos and 4K videos, and with the powerful ISP in the M1 chip, iPad Air now features Smart HDR, so your photos look even more beautiful. You can also use the back camera to scan documents and then mark them up with Apple Pencil, and with the large display, you can shoot video and photos and edit them right on iPad Air. Stream and share pretty much everywhere. Join superfast 5G wireless networks when you're on the go. Download files, play multiplayer games, stream movies, check in with friends, and more. Fast wireless connections are critical for staying in touch. With Wi-Fi 6, rest assured that you have superfast Wi-Fi. Get to your files in the cloud. Watch shows with friends using SharePlay, and more. Apple Pencil and Magic Keyboard, everyday essentials. iPad Air supports the 2nd generation Apple Pencil. Draw, take notes, and mark up screenshots and photos. It's easy to use and always ready when inspiration strikes. Use the Smart Keyboard Folio, or attach the Magic Keyboard for responsive typing and a built-in trackpad. It's perfect for sending an email or writing a short story. And get front and back protection with Smart Folio covers in beautiful new colors. Connect to drives, docks, cameras, and more using USB-C. Now with up to 2 times faster transfer speeds than the previous generation, so transferring large photos and videos is quicker than ever. iPadOS work wonders with ease. iPadOS is uniquely powerful, easy to use, and designed for the versatility of iPad. Use multiple apps at once. Write in any text field with Scribble and navigate using the power of touch. With amazing features in iPadOS, you can jot down your thoughts with Quick Note, connect with friends and family using SharePlay, and use Live Text to make a call, send an email, or look up directions with just a tap on the highlighted text in a photo. Tons of apps, tons of fun. Apps from the App Store can transform iPad Air into anything from a math classroom to an animation studio, and apps that come with iPad are more capable than ever. You can turn your iPad into a professional recording studio with Logic Pro for iPad, and shoot, edit, and deliver professional videos with Final Cut Pro for iPad. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the remarkable features of the iPad Air. Until next time, stay inspired.